Hey guys, so this week we're going to be learning about money. So it says Money Honey up at the top just because I thought that was funny. So this we've talked about before, but it's a penny. And this is what the front of a penny looks like, and this is what the back looks like. There's a dot here because it's worth 1 cent. And so here's a nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. So I'm going to put sticky notes on our sign so we remember it's worth 1 cent on the penny. All right. And the nickel is worth 5 cents right here. And so where I put front, I put 1 stick to represent 5. So help you remember. If that helps you remember, then you can do that. So this is what the front of it looks like, and this is what the back looks like. Let's see. So this down here is a dime. And here's what the front and the back looks like. I put 2 sticks next to the dime because it's worth 10 cents. So I'll put the sticky note. 10. And then the quarter, because it's worth 25, has 5 lines above it. Okay. So we're gonna play a game in a few minutes with Miss Anderson right here with what it's called. So I'm gonna pause you and I will be right back once I have the game. All right, guys, so I've got the game set up and it says what's the amount. And so there's a quarter, and then that would be a quarter, and then a dime, and a nickel, and another nickel, and 2 pennies. So it wants to know how many coins we have and what the amount is. So we'd be counting by, so 25, then we'd be counting 50, because if you count all the ticks, then you would get 10 lines, which if we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So there's 50, then 2 more, so 55, 60, because the dime is worth 10, and then another 5, so 60, 65, just like we've been doing with time, and our number line with our jumps, right? We've been jumping by 10s. This one was just a jump by 25, and then another jump by 5, so 70. And then remember on our number line when we do our 1 jumps. So penny's worth 1, so 71, 72. So down here, Miss Anderson's wrote all of the change down at the bottom. And so the total amount that we have shown here, it'd be 72 cents. So Miss Anderson is gonna give you guys some more of these digital games for you guys to play, where you will count up these. Hold on 1 second while I tape this down. Oh. Give me just 1 minute. All right, guys, I'm back to play our second round of this game. So what's the amount? So remember, a quarter is worth how much? Let's see, 25. If we're not sure, we can count the ticks above the coin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And let's check our amount right here. And they just gave us different amounts to add with. So 25, and then we add another 10, so 30, 35, and we count our ticks. Okay, then we're gonna go another 10, so just like we're jumping on a number line, so 35, 45, and then, so remember we could just count our ticks to make sure we're right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay. If I can get my sticky off. Okay. Then 55, and then we have 5 more, so 60. So 55, 60. And then 5 more would be, we do a 5 jump, and it'd be 65. And then we do another 5 jump, and it'd be 70. So we could count these 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, and then we have a penny, so that'd be 71 cents. So we have that. And let's see if we got our correct total. Our correct total, if I can get it out, is 71 cents. And then there's 2 ways to write it. All right, bye mathematicians. I'll see you later. Bye guys. All right guys, so I kind of worked up another game for us just to kind of, I figured it might be kind of easier to see it on a number line. So I have some various amounts of coins here, and we're gonna use a number line to help us count them. So we have a quarter right here, which is 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, okay? Then we have 10, so we're gonna do a jump of 10, so plus 10, and that would be 35 cents. Then we have another jump of 10, so 35, 40, 45. We're gonna do another jump of 10, we have 45 cents. Okay, then we're gonna do another jump of 10, which is 45, 50, 55. So we're gonna do another jump of 10, it's 50 cents, so plus 10. Then we're gonna do a jump of 5, so plus 5, that'd be 55. And we're gonna do another jump of 5, which would be 60 cents. And then we're gonna do another jump, plus 5, which would be 65. We're gonna do 1 plus 1, because there's a penny, so we'd have 66 cents. So we're gonna count up the ticks up top to make sure that our number line matches. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 7. No. Let's try this again. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Oh, Miss Anderson missed one. So see, this is why we count our jumps. And be plus 5. No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, no, Miss Anderson had it right the first time. So I'm right at 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, 65. Oh, it would be 70, so Miss Anderson was wrong. So it's gonna be 70, and then 71. Plus 5, and then it'd be 71 cents. So that's what we would get for our answer. All right, the next problem we have, it starts with 10, and so we're gonna count our ticks and make sure we're doing the correct jumps. So we started with 10 cents, and we're gonna jump another 10 cents because there's a dime, so plus 10 would be 20 cents. So then we're gonna do another jump, which would be plus 10, which would be 30 cents. Another jump, which would be 40 cents. And then we have another 5, which would be plus 5. So that'd be 45. We have another jump, which would be plus 5, which would be 50. And then we're gonna do 3 little ones. 1, 2, 3. So plus 1, so it'd be 51. Plus 1, 52. Plus 1 would be 53 cents. Miss Anderson dropped her cap. I grab that. And let's see. All right, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53. That matches. All right, let's go down here. So we have 2 quarters, which we know 2 quarters makes 50 cents. So we're going to start with 2 quarters. And let's count all of our ticks to make sure. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. So we have a jump of 10. So 55 plus 10 will be 60 cents. Then 60 cents plus 10 would be 70 cents. Then plus another 10 would be 80 cents. Plus 5 would be 85. Plus another 5 would be 90 cents. Plus 2 jumps, which would be 92 cents. All right, awesome. We're on to our last one. And that is, we're going to start at 25 cents because we have a quarter. And then we're going to count our tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need to make 5 jumps. So 5 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So plus 10 would be 35 cents. Plus 10 would be 45 cents. We're counting by tens. Plus 10 would be 55 cents. Plus 10 would be 65 cents. Plus 10 would be 75 cents. And then we have 3 jumps of 5. So 1, 2, 3. So plus 5 would be 80. Plus 5 more would be 85. Plus 5 more would be 90. Plus 1, so we're going to make our number line just a little bit longer. Plus 1 would be 91 cents. So I hope this visual helps you guys understand how to count money. Happy math, and I'm really excited to see how you guys do counting money this week. Bye, guys.